Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll explore how to implement an item name formula if defined while creating an item in Setup Item Shade Sizewise in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Setup Item Shade Sizewise. We had already defined the item name formula in Setup Items multiple pack sizes. Let's get back to Setup Items Shade Sizewise. Now go to the Configurations and enable the option Implement Item Name Formula if defined. Next, proceed by creating an item to observe the functionality of this setting. We don't need to enter the item name manually, it will be automatically generated using the item name formula. Here you can observe the item name has been generated using the item name formula. Now click on OK to save the respective item. Here you can see that the item has been successfully created using the item name formula. Hence, this feature not only saves time but also ensures consistency across your inventory. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.